Google has evolved into a one-stop search engine for internet users all around the world. Google also provides a wide range of tools, features, and benefits that might help you earn a substantial amount of money. With Google, there are a number of opportunities to earn some additional cash. The most important thing is to understand which avenues are best for you and your skills, as well as how to use them effectively. You've come to the right place if you want to learn how to make money online. We'll walk you through 8 simple ways to make money online with Google in this video. And before we proceed, I would appreciate if you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell so that you won't miss out any of my future videos. 1. Make money online with Google AdSense. Sign up for a Google AdSense account if you want to make money from adverts on your website or blog. AdSense is a no-cost per-click advertising program that can help you earn money. This is the most effective approach to take advantage of your website's visitors and turn the clicks on your advertising into cash. You may choose where your adverts appear and which ones work best for you. Simply determine where you want the ad to appear, then copy and paste the code into the appropriate location. To be paid, you must reach the minimum threshold. 2. Make money online with Google Opinion Rewards. You should try the app Google Opinion Rewards if you want to get paid for taking surveys. Simply download the app and answer a few personal questions. Then you'll be told that you'll start receiving weekly question surveys. You'll get a credit to the Google Play Store or PayPal for each survey you complete. Credits are available in denominations of up to $1. Reviews and user opinions on a topic may be included in the surveys, as well as your satisfaction with a certain vendor. 3. Make money online with Search Engine Evaluator. Do you believe there is a career where you can get money by surfing the internet? You'll work as a search engine evaluator. A typical responsibility of a search engine evaluation is to guarantee that search engines, such as Google, are doing their job of finding the most relevant information for users. They assess the usefulness of web pages and analyze the results of search engines. You can go to appen.com and apply for a Google Rater or a search engine evaluator. 4. Make money online by selling books on Google Play. If you want to make money by selling books, Google Play is a good option. You can join the Google Play Book Partner Program and earn money from your book or ebook. However, only a select few publishers are accepted. Whether they can become a bestseller is determined by the author's country of origin. Most nations are still unable to purchase books or get payment for selling books to their partner account. Both PDF and EPUB format books are welcomed. Google will be in charge of your book's hosting, sales, and distribution. You'll receive sales reports and the majority of the proceeds from each sale. 5. Make money online by selling apps on Google Play. You can use your skills to create an app and sell it on Google Play. If you have a tech mindset and want to make another major app, Google gives a great platform for you to share your idea with the rest of the world. Setting up a Google Wallet merchant account is the first step. Anyone over the age of 18 can join for a $25 registration fee. Furthermore, Google provides methods for submitting your app for testing to guarantee that it is ready for release. When you're finished, you can make it a paid app. 6. Make money online by starting a blog and drive organic traffic. Building a blog is undeniably the most common way to make money using Google. It's quite simple to create your own blog. You can start earning money as soon as you link your website to Google AdSense. You'll need a good understanding of SEO plus a bunch of amazing ideas that encourage people to read. It's important to note that the blogging community is extremely large. It can be difficult to get started depending on your niche. Furthermore, determining what would attract individuals to read your content might be difficult. 7. Make money online by creating a YouTube channel. YouTube continues to be one of the most popular websites in the world, with over 30 million daily users. Thousands of content creators go to the site to make videos and earn money as a result. Connecting your YouTube channel to Google AdSense, just like a blog, allows you to start making money from adverts on your channel. You may easily make some extra money by uploading a few videos every week if you can build a solid following on the website and retain a loyal group of subscribers. 8. Make money online with Google Remote Careers. Google is one of the world's largest corporations, and they are continuously on the lookout for new employees. They usually look for those who desire to work from home in a specific field. There are thousands of interesting and appealing career opportunities with Google that you can do from the comfort of your own home. These are the 8 ways to make money online using Google. Now it's up to you to figure out which of these options is best for you based on your abilities. Because getting things done will require so much time and work, you should be well prepared. Feel free to share with me if you are using one of these ways to make money. I'm happy to hear your story. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you appreciated this video. As always, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.